Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to talk about a fly-in we used to have between Great Lakes and the southern region. It was in Rough River, Kentucky, Falls of the Rough. It's a Kentucky state park. It has golf courses and a runway. And then you can stay in cabins or the lodge. But anyway, we used to have a fly-in there every year between the two regions. We started in '94 and we continued it for a number of years. Stay tuned.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
Now, as I said, we did it for a number of years. So we had a fairly good book on it. We kept up here in the front all the people we had to talk to at the dam, at the airport in Owensboro that we used. We kept notes. And then we have, like here, we had a whole packet of material, and these are our originals, and we all had them as Word files, and here they are from '95. Welcome to Rough River, and a list of all the pages you get, the rules for the broken tow bar, rules for the poker run, rules for precision taxi, which, by the way, we got that game from our our Australian brethren when they visited me in New Orleans, and we went to dinner one night and they explained the game, and then we had it at Rough River in '95. And now it's a national thing for the AYA. Rules for the rig pre-flight. Suggestion form for making improvements. Rules for spot landing. Rules for the air race. Rules for the air race. Rules for flower bombing. And then a map of the airport and surrounding area. Now, that's for the river flight on the up in New York. But we have a few other things in here. We kept notes. We got correspondence from the dam. This is when John and Ruth were doing it. And then they forwarded all this on to me when I took it over. And just as a sideline right here, here's a sales sheet for a Grumman. It's a Tiger number 662. Bottom line price, $35,051. All the information on it. There you go, and all the extra stuff that got it all started off. But anyway, keeping notes on the event every year, like when you have it, how many supplies did you have left over? Straws for the egg drop, how many card decks, lunch bags for flower bombs, the number of airplanes that are balsa wood, partial rolls of tickets. We kept notes on all of that so that next year when you went to buy, you wouldn't overbuy. '96, same thing. Scavenger hunt. Here were all the questions and the correct answers. So like I said, we kept notes on everything so that we wouldn't make any mistakes. In '96, we did a t-shirt, and here's all our artwork from it. It was Rough River through AYA, and then on the pocket you had an AYA on the ash-colored shirts. So again, just a lot of fun with the packet material. Now this is kind of what you need if you're going to have a really good fly-in year after year at the same location. You can make friends and you can put it all together, and it'll work out well for everybody who attends. Now, one nice thing when you have a fly-in like this, usually it's not one person, and like we would always arrive the day before to set up, and that meant we had to bundle the straws together with measures of tape for making the egg drop crates that you were going to protect your egg when we threw them out of the airplane. We had to put the flower bombs together. The packets had to go together. The t-shirts had to be sorted to go with your packet. So there was a lot of work. I'm not going to say that we didn't have a little bit of a adult libation, like a few drinks while we were doing all of that, but it was a good time had by all, and the event was always a lot of fun and drew people from all over. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you're thinking of a fly-in, here's a suggestion for putting one together and keeping it going year after year. And I throw that out to the aviation community because it's a lot of fun. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're having fun at your house today. Up in it and she feels safe. there she is. Lily in her Dutch oven. Hope y'all enjoy this. Thanks for watching.